Okay, today guys I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in an iPhone 5. If you did want a professional to undertake the job or you want to buy any of the parts or tools in this video, just click the link in the description below. So to begin, we need to take the pentalobe screwdriver and remove the 2 screws from the bottom of the phone. Once they're out, you need to remove the screen. You can either do this by using a case opener tool and pry from the bottom, or use one of the suction cups that you can buy from us. Okay, once that's off, just lift it from the bottom, or slide a screwdriver around the side. Like so. Lift the screen up. You can leave the screen attached for this repair. So if you change back to the star head screwdriver, and just remove the bottom 2 screws in the battery cover. Like so. Remove the charge port cover as well, if it's easier. And then just place that where the screws you took it out from. Once you're at this point, you can just unclip the battery and take one of the metal pry tools from the kit. Start on the left hand side, just pick the battery up like that. Okay, one thing you need to be aware of is that there's quite a lot of adhesive here, so when you pull it from the bottom, just be careful you don't snap or rupture the battery. You can pull with this, but it does usually snap it off, so just bear it in mind. Okay, and then we need to grab our new battery. If you start by locating it at the top, make sure that the ribbon at the bottom here is folded around the Wi-Fi connector, and then just click it in place. Once you're happy it's in, if you grab the charge port and battery connector and line it up. Don't tighten them up all the way, just to start with, and then just put a further 2 screws into the covers. Okay, once you're at this point, you can put the screen back on. So start by the top, click in, and just use your thumbs to get it all the way down the sides, like so. Once you're at this point, you can switch back to your pentalobe screwdriver and replace 2 screws in the bottom of the phone. And there you have it, iPhone 5 repaired battery.